Today, I'm gonna show you a pasta hack that also gives you your daily dose of vegetables. Let's get started. So to start off our veggie pasta, I've got some salted water boiling, and we're gonna do half water to beet juice because beet juice is really strong and chock full of color and flavor. So to our water, we will add beet juice. Our beet juice has been added to our water and we're bringing that back up to a boil to cook our pasta in. What I think is really great about this hack is we've all done zoodles and spiralized squash and all those things, but sometimes you just want some damn pasta. But you also want your veggies and to be healthy. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cook our pasta in the vegetable juice to get both some awesome color and some of those nutrients into your pasta. So I'm using beet juice because I love pink pasta, and I'm gonna turn it into sort of a Russian beet stew borscht pasta thing with some caramelized onions and some roasted beets and sour cream and dill. But you can do this with any veggie juice. You could do it with carrot juice, you could do it with kale juice, you could do it really with whatever. And if you want more color as opposed to just the flavor and like some of that veggie nutrients, just like up the veggie juice and lower the amount of water you're gonna use. All right, so I'm gonna let this come up to a boil and then we'll add our pasta. Okay, so our beet water juice has come up to a boil. It's time to cook our pasta. Wayo, we really boil in here. Today we're using fusilli just because I think the pink beet juice is gonna look awesome on all the twists and turns. We're gonna just add it really carefully because it could go everywhere and then I'll be covered in beet juice. And I wasn't planning on tie-dyeing the shirt today. Pasta in, just give it a stir and bring it back up to a boil. And you can see that pasta is already taken in that beet color. And it's only gonna get more and more vibrant. It's gonna be so cute and pink. Pasta's cooking. Let it cook. This one is gonna, fusilli takes about 10, 12 minutes. So we'll let that cook. Okay, so our pasta has finally finished cooking and you can see the color is amazing. Okay, I totally lied. It's not really that pink. It's sort of orangey red, but it's still beautiful and colored and full of beet juice. So, we're just gonna quickly strain it and plate and eat. Wasn't that easy? Okay, so our pasta is strained. So we'll just pop some of our amazingly beet colored fusilli. All right, so we'll add some caramelized onions. So this dish is great because you can use any pasta with it, and especially if you have a juicer, which you can just juice whatever vegetables you have lying around after the week. That's great to use this, but also it's so easy to buy veggie juice these days that it's such an easy upgrade to really make your pasta dinner exceptional. So we've got some caramelized onions. I'm gonna add a big blob of sour cream. I have such a love-hate relationship with sour cream and pasta that has become far more love recently. I just think the creaminess and sourness is awesome, especially with the roasted beets and the like sweetness of the caramelized onions. I think it just balances so perfectly. And we're just gonna finish it with a nice little sprig of dill. So add some green, okay, maybe a couple sprigs of dill. Herbs are great. Adds a nice little bit of freshness. This is delicious and truly the ultimate way to upgrade your pasta night in an unbelievably easy way.